Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing, well, a very unique wireless earbud which I actually bought accidentally. Thinking that it's actually two-sided. Now it's actually this one called the BL-1 wireless earbud. It's actually a wireless earbud because it's only one-sided. I actually bought this from Shopee accidentally, thinking that it's actually two-sided, and then when I look at it, it's like, oh, it's one-sided, right? So let's get into it. So the version I got is actually a 700 milliamp version. So you can see from here, the name is called BL-1. It uses actually Bluetooth version 4.2. I got the tender skin. I think this is called skin color. It has a talk time of about 10 hours. Okay, so let's get into it and see what's in the box. Okay, so this is the charging case. As you can see here, it's actually skin color. Yeah, nude. Pretty nice. Matte finishing plastic, and uses a very basic. It doesn't have any magnets, but uses a very basic hook. So there's actually two hooks here, so that it doesn't really open up. I like it, very basic. And then this is the earbud itself, single. It doesn't come equipped with any earbuds. You need to put it in. Okay, it's pretty thin, as you can see here, pretty thin. Okay, let me put it in. And then let me wear it. Okay, I think this is a small. Need to get the other one. Doesn't really fit into my ear. See here? I think it's slightly bigger, right? But let's see. So yep, this looks bigger. Alright, let's see. This should be the medium size. Okay. Fits much better. So you put it into the ear, and then you close it. Alright, so let's actually charge it up and see what happens.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I have with me here is a power bank. This is a 20,000 milliamp. Okay, so I am using the the micro USB cable which came with it. And then I'm going to plug it to the back. So you see that there's a flashing red light to indicate that it's actually charging. Let's see what happens inside. Okay, there's no indication yet. Okay, so there's no indication for the earbud itself. Okay. Right, so you can see here, after it blinks a rapid blinking a few times, it actually goes back into like a pulsing red LED light, which will blink and off, every 1 second. Right, so let's gonna charge it a couple minutes, and then we come back to see how it functions, with when I connect it to a phone.
Few moments later.
Right, hi everyone. So I've waited about an hour, and okay, so the earbud is actually charged up. So you can see here, red LED light. Right. Okay, so I'm going to actually unlock the phone. Alright, it's already unlocked. You can see here, I'm going to switch on the Bluetooth and take out the earbud. Right, so now you can see that it's flashing red and white. Okay, so you see here, pairing. Alright, you see here that it says BL-1. Tap on that. It's pairing. Okay, and here it says in use. Alright, you can for phone calls and for battery. Okay, yep. Now next, let's go to Spotify. Okay, so you can see from here at the bottom, it says it is actually flashing BL-1. Very, very faint, BL-1, alright? So let's play. It's playing. Pause. Play. Double tap. Next track. Pause. Play. Double tap. This is the unboxing of the BL-1 single earbud. Alright, single wireless earbud via Bluetooth. Okay, so I'll probably be testing this over the next couple of days for a couple of things, like mainly for phone calls and video conferencing calls like Zoom and WhatsApp and phone calls, so to see how is the quality and the stability of the connection. Alright, so till the next video, this is Johnny here. Bye bye.